After spending over 4 days in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau, Shah Rukh Khan's son, 23-year-old Aryan Khan, could get bail today in the cruise drug bust case. And his bail will be decided by Mumbai's Esplanade Magistrate Court at 2 p.m. after the hearing. Apart from Aryan, his friend Arbaz Merchant and others' bail plea will also be heard. During the last hearing, Aryan's counsel had argued that no drugs were found in the possession of Aryan and that he had no knowledge about the drug dealings as well as narcotics being used on board the cruise ship. On its part, the NCB has claimed that they have incriminating evidence in Aryan's phone in the form of pictures and his chats that show conversations on procuring drugs in bulk. Let's take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay. He's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates on the story. Pankaj, good morning. A day that Aryan Khan will be hoping he'll finally get bail. But just take us through, the arguments of the NCB so far, because they're going to have to need solid evidence to present in court today if they're going to be seeking extension of his custody.
Good morning, Akshata. So you are absolutely right. Bollywood superstar's son, Aryan Khan, will today again be hoping that he secures bail. But then the Narcotics Control Bureau maintains that they have a solid case. Late last night, Sameer Wankhede, the zonal head, said that the investigations are still on. In fact, searches are still going on at 2 or 3 places. He has also hinted that they have got links for the foreign hand in the entire operation as well. He said, though they are not willing to divulge any information at this point of time, but because it is very crucial to the entire investigation, but they maintain searches are going on, more arrests have been made. Many drug peddlers have been arrested with commercial quantity. That, of course, Akshata, tightens the case of the NCB as well. Because remember, Aryan Khan has been charged only for consumption. But also let us understand that Aryan Khan and others have retracted their statement. So what the NCB here is trying to do is make a watertight case, arrest the drug peddlers, show that the commercial quantity is involved here and that foreign transactions are also involved here. As we all have seen, how NCB has said that the WhatsApp chat conversations revealed shocking and incriminating evidence on how codes were being used, on how transaction details were given through the WhatsApp messages, and also the links if the payment was being made through cryptocurrencies. This new aspect has also come out that is also being discovered. So perhaps yet again, what the NCB is going to say in front of the judge, that their investigation is ongoing and hence perhaps they could seek further remand of Aryan Khan as well. And we'll track the latest on that, whether the NCB will seek an extension of custody or not. Pankaj, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us. Let's run you through the charges that the NCB is leveled against Aryan Khan. And remember, all of this is more or less based on WhatsApp chats. First, the Narcotics Control Bureau claims that they have incriminating WhatsApp messages against Aryan. Essentially, they were found on Aryan Khan's phone. They say that these are pictures as well as messages on Aryan's phone, and a lot of it to do with the consumption of drugs and purchase of it. So that's what the NCB said, that there were discussions on the mode of payment to go ahead and procure drugs. All of this was found in Aryan Khan's phone. Several code names, according to the NCB, were also used in text messages that Aryan exchanged, allegedly with some drug suppliers as well as his friends. Let's also tell you that so far in the investigation by the NCB and the drug bust that's been done by them, these are the drugs that have been seized by the Narcotics Control Bureau. You had 13 grams of cocaine, 5 grams of methadone, 21 grams of charas, and also ecstasy pills. 22 pills of ecstasy were found by the Narcotics Control Bureau when they conducted that raid on board a cruise ship. Now, what we're also seeing is now this entire case getting politicized amid the ongoing slugfest over the NCB's allegations of the Mumbai cruise drug bust being orchestrated by the BJP. Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik has shared videos now of private detective Kiran Gosavi and BJP worker Manish Bhanushali entering NCB's office on October 2nd. The same night, Aryan Khan was detained by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Sharing this video, Nawab Malik has tweeted, and I quote, here's the video of Kiran P. Gosavi and Manish Bhanushali entering the NCB office the same night the cruise ship was raided. Earlier, videos of Bhanushali and Gosavi surfaced where they were seen bringing Aryan and Arbaz Merchant along with the other accused to the NCB office after they were detained by the anti-drug agency.
The NCB so far has denied charges that have been levelled by Nawab Malik and said that allegations levelled against the organisation are completely baseless and seem to have been done with malice and probable prejudice that may have been harboured in retaliation, according to them, against earlier legal action that was carried out by the Bureau.
नवाब मलिक ने तमाम ये आरोप लगाए कि दो उसमें ऐसे शख्स थे जो बाकायदा नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो तक अक्यूज को लेके आ रहे थे, वो बीजेपी के लोग थे। ऐसा नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो पर आरोप लगाया, आपका क्या कहना है?
जो कार्रवाई हुई है सब लीगली प्रमाण से हुई है, कायदे के हिसाब से हुई है, तो ज़्यादा उसमें कुछ कहना नहीं है।
अच्छा, उसमें मतलब जो जिन पर ये आरोप लगाया जा रहा है कि बीजेपी के हैं, तो बेसिकली पंचनामा की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो वो पंचनामा
देखिए अगेन मैंने जैसा कहा है कि सब ये कायदे के प्रमाण के हिसाब से लीगली वे में हुआ है एंड एज पर दी लीगल प्रोविजंस।
ये आरोप लगाया जा रहा है कि आप बड़े लोगों पर ही, बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज़ पर ही टारगेट।
एनसीबी नॉल ने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है ड्रग्स को क्लीन करने के लिए। मुंबई महाराष्ट्र में भी आप देखेंगे तो हमने कोशिश किया है कि एक एनवायरनमेंट, ड्रग फ्री एनवायरनमेंट देने की कोशिश की है। इसमें मोर देन 312 लगभग अरेस्ट हुए हैं इस साल अब तक। जो बड़े बड़े हमारे जो मैंडेट है ऑर्गेनाइज क्राइम सिंडिकेट को डिसमेंटल करना, वो भी हमने किया है। तो ऐसा ये नहीं है कि जो एनडीपीएस एक्ट वायलेट करता है तो एनसीबी वी आर सक्षम टू टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट।
मतलब एनसीबी ये बड़ा छोटा या कोई बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी ये नहीं देखती है, एक्शन
हम जो एनडीपीएस एक्ट वायलेट करता है, जो हमारा मैंडेट है, हम वही करते हैं। जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी कहा, अभी भी कहता है, वी आर ए वेरी प्रोफेशनल एजेंसी एंड अ कॉम्पिटेंट एजेंसी। इस केस में जो अरेस्ट हुए 16 अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं अभी तक और कई प्रकार के ड्रग रिकवर हुए हैं, जैसे कि कोकेन, एमडीएमए, मेफेड्रोन, हाइड्रोपोनिक वीड और हशीश, ये प्रकार के ड्रग्स रिकवर हुए हैं।
इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी आपकी जारी रहेगी? पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर है उसके बावजूद?
उस बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो जारी ही रहेगी, न्याय प्रावधान भी है उसमें एंड विद इन स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम विल डू अ गुड जॉब एंड प्रोफेशनल जॉब।